Hello, YouTube. Hello, YouTube. This is Barrie J here. I'm here to tell you about an exhibition. I feel like the tree from Big Brother. Alright, Skippy. Basically, Tuesday, 20th of July, exhibition at the old library with me, Andy Fung, and the rest of the people and Anna from Kings Road Artist Studios. Basically, old library, about 7:30. Going to be doing a drawing performance, and yeah, it's going to be basically kind of showcase of Kings Road Artist Studios. So here I am at Marks and Spencer's looking at food, and yeah, so Tuesday 20th in Kings Road Artist Studios. Get your ass down there, come and see some art. Now, salad.